Excuse me. Hi. We're looking for a place to rent around here. I see a bunch of for rent signs, and we're just wondering if it's a little ghetto or not. It looks a little ghetto. Do you live?
Nice neighborhood.
Do you live here?
Yeah, I live up the street with my parents.
Oh, your parents live here. You live with your parents. How old are you?
I'm 21.
Oh,
You owe me
shit.
$5, Pete. I told you she's at least 19.
Hi, I'm Preston.
Hi.
Nice to meet
Nina.
you. This is Sean.
What's up?
Hi.
This is Shaggy.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, we're actually running around. We've been recording different locations to see if there's like we're looking for a safe place. We want to all be roommates.
Yeah.
So,
Well,
you
this
live in
is
an
a nice
apartment?
area. Yeah.
How many bedrooms?
2.
2, really?
Just me and my parents.
Oh, okay. And you're 21 and you still live at home?
Well, I'm going to school, so...
Yeah, but you're 21. I don't know, I guess...
I can't afford a dorm.
No,
I
that's
don't work.
normal. That's normal here
Yeah.
in Miami. I like your bag. It's really pretty.
Thank you.
So do you know how much do they pay for rent here?
I'm not really sure because I don't help my parents pay rent here. So
Okay, so you don't know?
No, I don't
Shit.
work, so.
Do you know somebody that could maybe help us out with that?
Not that I know of, no.
God, you are really pretty.
Thank
Where
you.
do you go to school?
I study medical assisting in the college nearby.
You're going to be a medical assistant.
What's
What
the
does that
medical?
mean anyways?
It's just medical assisting. I want to help people.
Oh, you do? How long would school be? I don't know. Are you okay that we record you for this?
That's fine.
Okay.
I don't mind.
She could help us out.
Yeah, you look like a skateboarder. Do you skateboard?
No, I don't.
You don't?
But I hang around a lot of people that do, so
Okay. You have a lot of guy friends and shit?
yeah.
You want to leave, don't you?
I'm hot. It's hot.
Yeah, I know. No. I mean, we could just finish this. I was just wondering if you knew somebody around here that could help us out finding a place to rent. You know? Well, we're looking for a 3-bedroom. I don't know if they have 3 bedrooms around here or anything.
I think they should have 3-4 bedrooms tops.
Wow, really? You guys would be down.
Yeah, I'm always down for you, Stevie.
I'm just curious, like, there's so many buildings here. Like, which one do you live in? Do you live in, like, one of the ghetto
I live
ones?
No.
She's, like,
No.
smiling like crazy.
Smile a lot.
A lot of people are scared of us because of this camera, and you're totally, like, cool.
You guys do look familiar, though.
What?
Yeah, I don't look
Yeah,
familiar.
you guys look really familiar.
Cool. We do? I know I don't.
You might know us. I don't know. I went to FIU for a while.
Oh, no, I never went to FIU.
Oh, okay. Shit. Well, I don't know. Maybe.
You been on the beach?
No.
Does Shaggy look familiar?
Yeah, sort of.
Does Sean look familiar?
No.
He doesn't. Do I look familiar?
Yeah.
You look familiar.
You been to Ritz Key Biscayne?
No.
Oh, I don't know him.
God, you're really pretty. You look really pretty, especially under this tree.
Yeah, because I'm burning up. I'm just trying to get home.
Well, I'll tell you what. How far away are you from home?
I'm
You're already home, pretty much.
sort of, kind of. It's a little farther up the street, but it's hot. So for me, it's like a really long walk.
Well, I mean, do you mind?
Yeah, if you want.
What are you
can come
doing
out
right
with
now?
us.
Are you just
going home? I mean, I just finished school, so
so you're just gonna do nothing?
yeah.
Would you come to lunch with us and hang out? I'll put my camera down, I promise. You like this camera? Look at this thing. Look at this camera is like, it's an expensive camera. Yeah, I had to steal
No,
it.
I don't mind going to lunch with you guys. That's not a problem.
Yeah, we'll pay for your lunch. Got you.
You'll pay for my
You'll
lunch.
take care of it?
Yeah, Sean's got it. He's
Yeah.
a new baller, so.
Yeah, he's balling. He's not really balling. He's just pretending to ball. He's driving this big fat van. All right, well, come with us and see. What are you hungry for? You want barbecue? What do you want?
Doesn't matter.
Man, what if your parents saw this? They would be like, don't be getting in vans with strangers.
You guys do look really